Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I'm just going to keep saying the words until they finally mean something. I think this is my last Lush box from the UK. I know you've heard that story before. I think it's true this time. By the time you pay for it and then you vote on it and then it ships, it takes forever to get here. So I'm never quite sure, because they don't say this is the September box. I'm never quite sure which one I'm opening. So we're going to open this one up. It is definitely my UK box. I figure when one arrives and doesn't have the international sticker on it, I'll know that it's my US box. I ended my UK subscription and I have transferred it to a US subscription. So soon we will see what they are doing in the Lush US subscription box. And also, since it's kind of the way we were all leaning, I am placing a personal order so I can do it just as a haul. So if there are things in it you guys want, you can purchase that. But I also figured with the box being a US box now, it would be easier for everybody to get to. If you are new to Lush, Lush is basically a bath box. It's going to have bath bombs, maybe bath gels, maybe body lotions, maybe soaps, that kind of thing. And they're all going to smell like magic and unicorns. It's true. I didn't make it up. It's true. There's something that Lush uses in their scents that somebody once told me that I absolutely love. Somebody once told me that it was the vetiver. That vetiver kind of took over a lot of their scents, and that's what was in it that we all loved. I have no idea if that's true. I could not, if I ran across vetiver in the night, I wouldn't even know it. But sure. Okay. I like it so much, I just really don't care how the magic is made. All we get is this little piece of paper, and basically it's going to tell us the name of each product that we have and the ingredients. And I always say I'm glad for that. Since I do have a couple of allergies, I need the ingredients when I am going to put something all over my body. The Lush UK box and also the North American. I should quickly get a USA box because I think Lush is in Canada and it's going to be a USA/Canada box, because I think it'll probably ship from Canada if I were guessing. But this is the UK one, and what Lush Kitchen is, and I believe it will be the same when it's the North American one, they take some of their retired products and they make them up fresh for us. And you go in each month and you vote, and it's just kind of a fun way to take a trip down memory lane if you used to like Lush, or if you're new to Lush, a way to try some of the old things that maybe you didn't get a chance to try when they were new. So it's super fun if Lush is something that you like. The UK box, to get it to the US, ends up costing about $70. The new North American box, which is what I'm going to start trying to call it, the new North American box is going to be about $60. It's a $50 box, but by the time you ship it and add tax, it's going to come to about $60. So it is $10 cheaper and less likely to come looking like it's been run over by a truck. I will tell you, like I do every time, they use packing peanuts, but they're the ones that if you just get them wet, I wish I had a cup. If you just get them wet, they disappear. Again, it's the magic. First out, we have I don't expect to get stumped with Lush, and yet here we are. Smaragdine. I am quite certain that that's going to have a meaning that is just flying right over the top of my head. I'm going to go ahead and hope that at the very least it's a British reference. So the fact that I'm not getting it is slightly less embarrassing. But this says unwind with forced fresh patchouli, one of my favorites, and peppermint bubbles infused with calming lavender and sandalwood to bring you gently back down to earth. Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing. And it does not disappoint. It is a real heady scent for Lush. It's a little darker, a little more exotic than they tend to go. A little earthier, dirtier, for lack of a better word. It smells, I thought it was purple, but seeing what I see through the top, it almost makes me think it's a deep emerald green. So this is a bubble bath. So you will just take a capful and put it under, and you will be amazed how well their things bubble bath. I can't even imagine how grounding this scent feels. The very first ingredient is rose petal, and I am telling you what, this could not smell less like rose or floral. It's rose petal and then lavender flower. You couldn't guess that on a bet. I couldn't guess it on a bet. You might could do it. You're probably better at it than me. And it's got patchouli and pimento berry oil and petitgrain oil, ginger, sandalwood, celery seed. So many good things and no many bad things. So yay, I get to use it. I'll be using that tonight. Next out, we have a pot. Pots are always fun too. We have a pot of Turkish Delight, and it's a shower smoothie. Shower smoothies are basically, you can clean your body with them in the shower, but they are also good for your skin. They leave you less dry. I love them in the winter. I don't remember what the Turkish Delight smelled like. Softening almond oil and seductive jasmine absolute blend together to offer gentle washes. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's just clean and fresh. I love that. I couldn't love it more. This love affair I have with Lush is just almost absolutely ridiculous. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. Next out, we have a flying saucer. How stinking cute is that? They say that it is Space Girl, elevating grapefruit oil, refreshes and uplifts the mood, clarifying and toning the skin, while bergamot leaves you feeling relaxed at a galactic level. Well, I will pass this along to my girls. They will love it. It smells amazing. I can't use grapefruit oil, but that smells amazing. Next out, this is a great one. We have another pot. Smuggler's Soul. I'm running out of battery. We're going to move a little quicker here. It is a facial scrub. I was just saying they do facial scrubs and we don't ever talk about it. Sandalwood takes the senses a long way from home as you buff and brighten the skin. That is what it looks like. It has gone to just half of the pot. Oh, it's just creamy and luscious. There's just very small grit in it. Oh my gosh. It has very, very light scent. I will absolutely be trying this. All right, and last out, hoping to beat the battery, we have 29 High Street. I think this is the name of their shop, maybe their first shop in the UK. I'm not certain, but I think maybe their first shop. It says slather precious oil of sultry ylang ylang all over before rinsing for deep cleanses and gentle mood lifts. Let's see what it smells like. I like the 29 High Street. I gave the perfume to my mom. This one doesn't smell as much like the battery war. So I'm back. I know we were talking about 29 High Street. I don't know where we were. We had sniffed it. I had said how amazing it was. Let's sniff it again because it is amazing. I'm using Ochre right now, which I also love from them, but I think we're going to skip ahead to this because I love it. And I already checked it out and there's nothing in it that I can't use, but its notes are jasmine and ylang ylang and lemon and lime, tonka, gardenia, sandalwood. It's just a mismatch. I would argue this is the smell of Lush. It is, no, I don't know if that is what the mall smells like. It's amazing though. Okay, thanks for coming by, guys. That was my, I think, and I will say this every month until I'm right, I believe that's my last Lush UK box. And we got the 29 High Street. By the way, this is the big gel. That makes for a great box. We have the bath bomb that, although it smells fantastic, I will pass along because it has grapefruit oil in it. We have the Smaragdine. If you know what that means, how about letting me know? Bubble bath. We got the Turkish Delight shower smoothie. And for the first time since I have gotten the box, we have something for our face. It is the Smuggler's Soul, and it is a facial scrub. And I will definitely try it. So I think that this is one of the best ones that I've had. I would use all of this except for the bath bomb, which because of my grapefruit allergy, I will sadly pass along. Not too sadly because it's for my girls, but I will pass it along. But everything else is amazing. And now I think October, if I read it right, October starts our Lush North America box. So you can go over to Lush and sign up for that. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.